Lock and loop error on Crowd2Fund Fix. Lock and loop error on Crowd2Fund Fix. If you keep entering your details on Crowd2Fund only to be sent right back to the login screen, you're facing what's called a login loop. It's frustrating, but the fix is simpler than you might think. Most people blame their password, but here's the truth: the problem usually comes from stored cookies, cached data, or a security token that's expired. To fix it, start by closing the Crowd2Fund page up completely. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies. On desktop, open Settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear your browsing data. Be sure to include cookies and cached images. On your phone, open Settings, find the Crowd2Fund app, and clear both cache and data. Next, update the app or browser you're using. Outdated versions often cause compatibility issues with Crowd2Fund security system, which can result in that annoying loop. If that doesn't solve it, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or use a different network entirely. Sometimes, your network security settings can block Crowd2Fund's authentication servers. Another hidden cause is autofill errors. Try typing your credentials manually instead of relying on a saved login. Even an invisible space or old password can trigger a failed authentication loop. Also, check your browser settings, make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled. Without them, Crowd2Fund can't save your login session correctly. After following these steps, restart your browser or phone and try logging in again. You should now be able to access your account normally. So, the next time you're stuck in a lock and loop on Crowd2Fund, don't panic and don't reset your password right away. It's usually just a small data conflict that you can fix in minutes. Clear the cache, refresh the app, and you'll be back to funding new ventures smoothly.